Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. How does Amazon GuardDuty contribute to threat detection for AWS accounts? By adjusting auto-scaling group settings. By continuously monitoring logs for malicious activity. By optimizing AWS Lambda function configurations. By performing network load balancing. What is the purpose of Amazon GuardDuty? To deploy machine learning models. To automatically provision EC2 instances. To continuously monitor and detect security threats in AWS accounts. To manage billing and cost optimization. What is the primary purpose of Amazon GuardDuty's benefits dashboard? To manage storage usage in S3 buckets. To provide access to training resources. To monitor network traffic patterns. To highlight the value of the service to customers. What does Amazon GuardDuty's findings list provide to users? An overview of all Amazon CloudFront distributions. A report on DynamoDB table sizes. A detailed view of security findings with recommended remediation steps. Real-time monitoring of Lambda function executions. What type of analysis does Amazon GuardDuty perform on VPC flow logs for threat detection? File encryption and decryption. Anomaly detection and IP reputation comparisons. Data compression techniques. Storage optimization algorithms. What is the primary objective of Amazon GuardDuty's threat intelligence feeds? To increase network bandwidth. To provide up-to-date information on known threats. To monitor Lambda function executions. To reduce data transfer costs. What is a key advantage of using Amazon GuardDuty for threat detection compared to manual monitoring approaches? Focusing on database performance only. Manual creation of security groups. Automated detection with machine learning and threat intelligence. Integrating with third-party VPN solutions. What benefit does integrating Amazon GuardDuty with AWS organizations provide? Centralized management and monitoring of security findings across all member accounts. Optimizing DynamoDB write throughput. Increasing EC2 instance types available. Automating IAM policy creation. What is the primary focus of Amazon GuardDuty findings visualization tools in the security monitoring process? To optimize database query performance. To automate server provisioning. To provide interactive dashboards for threat analysis. To manage network traffic routing. What action can Amazon GuardDuty take when it detects a potential threat? Generate a finding. Trigger a Lambda function. Encrypt the S3 bucket. Stop the EC2 instance. What is the primary advantage of using Amazon GuardDuty's threat intelligence capabilities in the AWS ecosystem? Optimized instance performance metrics. Reduced data storage costs. Enhanced threat detection accuracy. Increased network bandwidth usage. What is a recommended action for responding to a high-severity GuardDuty finding? Take immediate action to investigate and remediate the security threat. Perform a manual review of all CloudFormation stacks. Increase network bandwidth for all instances. Ignore the finding and check again later. What is a significant advantage of Amazon GuardDuty over traditional security monitoring tools? It has limited integration with other AWS services. It focuses solely on account billing. It requires no infrastructure setup or maintenance. It provides manual threat analysis only. What is a key benefit of utilizing Amazon GuardDuty for security monitoring in AWS accounts? Improves S3 bucket encryption. Provides continuous threat detection without impacting performance. Increases EC2 instance costs. Limits access to security groups. How does Amazon GuardDuty leverage machine learning in threat detection? To analyze patterns and anomalies in log data. To automate security patching processes. To manage IAM role permissions. To optimize CPU performance of EC2 instances. What is the primary outcome of using Amazon GuardDuty for continuous monitoring of AWS resources? Reduced network latency. Increased security visibility. Enhanced server uptime. Improved data transfer speeds. What is the benefit of leveraging Amazon GuardDuty in conjunction with Amazon Inspector for security assessments? Reduced data transfer costs. Enhanced threat detection and vulnerability scanning. Increased integration with IAM policies. Optimized EC2 performance metrics. What aspect of security management does Amazon GuardDuty focus on in the AWS ecosystem? Database schema design. Network traffic encryption. Serverless application deployment. Threat detection and remediation. What is the primary objective of integrating Amazon GuardDuty with Amazon CloudWatch for threat response? To optimize data retrieval speeds. To conduct CPU performance monitoring. To automate remediation actions based on findings. To manage IAM user permissions. How does GuardDuty help in reducing misconfigured access control settings in AWS environments? By increasing the number of VPC subnets. By identifying and alerting on overly permissive security group rules. By encrypting S3 buckets. By disabling CloudTrail logging. What is a key aspect of Amazon GuardDuty's threat intelligence component? Utilizing global threat intelligence sources to enhance detection capabilities. Encrypting S3 bucket data. Optimizing RDS instance performance. Limiting access to security groups. What is the purpose of the Amazon GuardDuty master account in a multi-account AWS setup? To centrally manage findings and invitations. To control resource access across all accounts. To configure VPC peering connections. To designate the main billing account. What role does AWS Trusted Advisor play in enhancing the security features provided by Amazon GuardDuty? Manages encryption keys for data at rest. Automates server provisioning processes. Offers best practices recommendations for improved security. Monitors network traffic patterns for anomalies. What is the primary benefit of using Amazon GuardDuty for threat detection? Reduced data transfer costs. Improved security posture. Increased network bandwidth. Enhanced encryption capabilities. How can Amazon GuardDuty help in detecting reconnaissance activities in an AWS environment? By analyzing DNS request patterns. By tracking S3 bucket permissions. By monitoring unusual API calls. By scanning EC2 instance configurations. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.